So I recently started using a website called Artlist to find music for my videos because I wanted to spice up what I had been doing in the past. A lot of the videos I've done in the past has reused the same music, mostly non-copyright stuff, just so I can actually monetize the videos. And Artlist is a website for anybody who's not a content creator that basically it provides you music that you can use in your videos and you can still monetize it. Now this comes at a cost most of the time because the music on that website isn't always the best. Oftentimes I'm looking through the website trying to find music I can use in my videos and it just doesn't quite fit. Oftentimes this has me wondering what would I ever actually use this song for, and that's what I wanted to figure out today. So today I'm going to make some montages out of music that I would just never normally use, and I'm going to share those montages with you. So if you guys are watching this video, be sure to let me know which one you like the best at the bottom of the comments or wherever you put that sort of information. Particularly what I wanted to look at here, what I think is really interesting, is just how the different music can affect how the montage turns out. Something that you're going to find is very interesting is that the song that you're using actually doesn't matter as much as the editing itself. You can sync up gameplay to pretty much any song as long as you put the attention into it. Now, it doesn't always fit and it doesn't always seem right, but you can still do it and it can turn out okay. But to make a montage, first we have to find the clips for a montage, and we could use my own clips, but that doesn't seem like that's going to be very interesting. So instead, let's go find another streamer's clips to use. Now, if there's anything I've learned from watching large YouTubers is that it doesn't actually matter how good of a clip it is. Basically, what you do is you just take any kill that you got for the day and you just throw that baby into a montage. So that's what we're doing right here. We just need Ludwig to get a couple of kills here throughout the game, and I think we'll be good. Just enough to give you a sense of like what it feels like to incorporate the music, you know? Uh-oh, no. Oh, this could be big. No, he gets cleared. Oh, no. Oh, God. Okay, this is taking far too long for my brain to handle, so we're just going to go look at Shroud. Now, to show you guys exactly what I mean when I say, like, the music on these websites, or, like, not copyright-free music is generally not very good, let's, like, give you an example of, like, a normal montage, and then I'll show you the music on these websites. So let's go to, like, a Subi video, you know? People love watching Subi. Kind of groovy, right? Like it's a little groovy. It's got kind of a beat going to it. Now, if we go to the Artlist website and we look at like the very first homepage and stuff, and let's just click on like the first song, right? It's definitely not terrible so far. So it doesn't feel like it quite fits, right? Like it would be like perfect for like the montage video that you're trying to create. Maybe it would. Maybe it'll fit. So that's what we're gonna give a shot today. But just to give it an example of like other songs that are on this website, really I like stuff like this, or just like ambient sound. So I guess for some videos I could see this working. It really depends on the type of video that you're doing. But for the most part, I find difficulty finding good montage music on this site. So. Do you just feel like there is no air left to breathe? I'm really not much of a montage editor myself, by the way, so as you're watching these, just keep in mind that this isn't my forte. It's just something that I like to dabble with at times. This isn't going to be like any of those like crazy Call of Duty edits where like the person's like flipping around and like doing 360s and stuff. Like this is pretty basic edits as far as they come. I am more interested in how the music affects the gameplay itself, so.
He made a mistake. Oh my god, I'm radar. You can't step to my throne. They ain't working like me. I did this on my own. You asking where we been, huh? I don't know where to begin, huh? All this dirt on my skin. I just came here to win. I'm more than a man, I'm a monster. Somebody call a past the doctor. I got a 6 cents for imposters, so now I'm coming for the whole roster. It's not a game, why you playing with me? You could double back, lose track, try and hang with me. It must be in my veins, something you can't tame, cause I break the chains. Can't control me. I got the power, I got the keys, cause I break the chains. They try to hold me, I'ma push back, just wait and you'll see.
Alright, this third montage is for the people who maybe like Shroud's gameplay just a little bit too much.
You wanna play?
He peeked it. He made a mistake. Oh my god, I was looking at radar, dude. Holy shit. I'm telling you, stop buying the fucking Vandal. Stop buying the shitty Phantom and buy yourself a Guardian.
Oh my god.
I wasn't winning at all, I was just further behind. Played your hand, it showed my cards. I took my talks right from your heart. I laid them down before your eyes. Game over, but we were so out of
Okay, this next song is a little bit of a weirder one. It still ends up kind of working, and it actually kind of bops a little bit, but it's also not something that I would normally listen to in my everyday. I think it's interesting after doing all the editings for these montages, actually, the tone of the song actually sets what you can do with the montage a lot of the times, which is actually really cool.
OMW, on my way to you, good at what I do. OMW, OMW, on my way to you.
Oh my god, I was looking at radar.
Good at what I do. OMW. Watch me walk away, putting myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. OMW, OMW. On my way to you, good at what I do. I'm OMW. On my way, on my way.
And this last one is for those good old country vibes. You know, sometimes you just gotta throw in a country montage for the boys.
Take 1,000 out and spend it carelessly.
Oh my god, I was looking at radar, dude.
Well, I don't really care as long as you're with me.
Oh my god.
So put your best dress on, we'll leave this town. Drive till we can't recognize the billboard signs or the faces we're around. I don't know just where we're going. I don't care as long as I'm with you. I don't know just where we're going. I don't care as long as I'm with.
Anyway, those are the 4 montages that I made. I was thinking about doing more, but I think over time it got a little bit tedious. But if you guys want to see future stuff like this on the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below and let me know in the comments which one you like the best. Like I said, they were pretty basic edits, but I thought they were pretty fun to put together. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.